What are the challenges that the gold traders are facing? Let's talk about that in today's market update. Okay, so I haven't done an update for some time on gold prices. We had, as you might remember, we had quite a significant slide here, and I was actually bullish. I didn't trade gold, I traded silver, and I bought a bit on the dip, and then the market just continued and we cut through some of the levels here that I was watching, and that terminated the actual uptrend we were working with here. Now, I had a few ideas about gold going down lower, but the market just traded sideways there, so not much has happened. That's why we haven't done an update on this channel for some time. But now, what's the situation now? Because we have seen, the price stop creating lower and lower highs. So we did end that very short-term downtrend. And at least in the very short term now, I'm back being bullish. And as long as we trade above the level here, which is 1815, I'm going to be bullish. And with the support and resistance indicator, we think the market could bounce from about 1844. Now you can see that we missed that entry with just a couple of dollars. So I think we're going to bump this up to 1846. And it's a level we might be able to revisit a bit later today. And the general idea here in the short term is that, we might go down and then up to 1868 for short-term traders, and then up to 1900 for people that want to hold positions for a few days, up to a week or two. Now, people that are long-term bullish, you could potentially also see this as trading within a big triangle, which is the way I'm looking at it. And from that perspective, if we indeed do trade above this trend line and this stop level, which again is at 1815, then we might be able to reach something like 1859. But this triangle does also spell or tell us that, unfortunately, it looks like it's gonna be a bit of a boring next 4 weeks for gold prices. We have the new president in place, and he's probably not going to do anything crazy the same way we would see like radical changes by President Trump. So I think we're gonna unfortunately continue to trade sideways here, and that means that again we can probably go upwards, but we wouldn't really anticipate too much, like too big moves. And as well, we need to understand that all these short-term levels, like now going forward, because we're trading sideways, are gonna be less likely of being profitable, just because of the fact that we're dealing with range-bound markets. So what are the solutions then? Well, you can trade gold. A lot of people trade gold and do that, but you could also focus on something like maybe the S&P 500. Right? I know it's overbought, but we've been right in most of the dips here, and with the help of the support and resistance indicator, we said look to buy here, with stop losses here and here, and that turned out quite good. Let's see what happens over the next couple of days. Obviously, I wouldn't be buying the Nasdaq 100 here. We need to come down lower. If you want to use this indicator, support and resistance indicator, if you want to have these levels we watch every day, there's a link in the top comment. Just click on that. You can download a 10-day demo, and then if you think that this is what you're looking for, then you could just create a real account with ATFX. Just in general, since November 16th, we are traded maybe 50 times or so with the help of the indicator. And it's not about trading every single market, but rather picking one or two markets every day. And we're right about 60% of the time. And the average profit is about 1.6%, 1.6 times higher than the average loss, which makes it overall a very nice trading system. Of course, the past might not necessarily mean that we're gonna have a repeat of the future, but the system that goes into this support and resistance indicator, I've been using different shapes of that system for the last, I would say, 10 years. So I have high confidence in the system. Okay, if you want to learn more about that, just click on the top comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Monday next week. Bye-bye.